What is a forever home?
A forever home to me.
Forever home.
Forever home to us.
To us.
A forever home for us is a place that our family can always fit in.
Yay! For me, my forever home is a space that is warm, it's inviting, family, friends, everybody's hanging out, they're laughing, they're having a great time. Doors are always open, but at the end of the day, as long as the family is together, it could even be like this space capsule behind me, as long as people are hanging out.
Hi guys, come on in.
Let's go.
A place that reflects both of our personalities, maybe has a room to grow a family, create memories, and maybe you even know your neighbors really well.
And a place where you can go to the bathroom and feel comfortable going every single time.
I definitely agree
Again
with
and
that.
again and again.
Money only builds a house. It's memories that build a home.
And you put your dreams into it, and it hopefully grows along with you, and over time you get to look at it and see the reflection of yourself.
It should be a place you come to be with family and friends, because nothing's more important. That's what makes a house a home. Now, what you do with that house, the kind of house you buy, the color you paint it, how you design it, should be a true artistic expression, because you have to live there after all. It should be a place, a sanctuary, something that gives you peace of mind and soothes your soul.
A forever home to us isn't just the home itself. It's our community, it's our neighborhood, it's shopping at our local grocery store.
And for us, we really just try and focus our forever home on our kids so that they have a safe and healthy environment to grow up and be adventurous, and hopefully one day be inspired to do the same for their kids.
This is where we raised our children. This is where they want to come back for their memories. This is where our grandkids want to come. They want to come to Grandma's house. I don't know why they call it Grandma's house, because I had something to do with it too, hello, but that's okay.
A forever home to us is one that just evolves with life's punches, right?
Lots of punches.
I know, the kids are little and they want toy rooms, and then they want teen rooms, and there's more like foosball tables, and that transition has to be really easy, and with a well laid out home, it can be easy. Heck, it can be easy, if grandma needs to move in, and then the playroom needs to turn to a guest room.
Grandma's not moving in.
Grandma's not
There's
moving
no
in.
chance.
Don't worry.
A forever home to me is where your dogs are. So you can see my dogs are here, chilling under the stairs. Things like this that make a home so special.
You see all the furnishings that you put into a home, the rugs, the accessories, whatever it might be, they become old and tired and sometimes grow out of fashion. But memories, they never grow old. It's the memories that you build within the walls of your house that make it a forever home.